There's lots of great pilots to watch here, but plugging in, lots of cameras on the scene. Neon,
Turn left.
the
You're gonna go left or right?
is down and potentially at a trap inside the C-124.
Line yourself up real well.
I think it's been like maybe 3 years. It's really fun to do the same thing and hang out together a lot.
I bet if I set up a simulator computer and I just leave it running, I bet she'll use it. So that's what I did. I just set up an old computer that I had, and it's always running the simulator, and she just walks up to it and flies, and she gets better and better every time that she practices.
It's really fun seeing all the airplanes when you're flying.
And make it look so comfortable. You can tell she's at the stage in the FPV flight where she never thinks about her thoughts, never considers anything other than aircraft in the air.
That's a good question. And actually, corrected what I said earlier, this isn't her first big race.
I got into this because I have always loved birds and I wanted to see what it felt like to fly. It's really fun to feel like you're flying.
Yeah, you feel just like you're a small bird, like our parakeets.
Yeah.
And you get to fly all around and be like a little mini person.
Except for the parakeets are scared of drones.
Yeah.
They're not a fan of it.
What have you learned technical-wise?
Well, I've learned pretty well how to solder.
She's done most of the soldering on her tiny whoop, which is really impressive. Yeah, the only thing I helped with was the black wire, right? The ground wire. Yeah, but she did the rest of it. It's incredible. I think racing is great for getting people engaged in flying and in aviation, and also having a community of pilots in the racing community that you're part of, because you're always flying with other people. So you're always interacting with people, and those people have sometimes jobs in the industry too. And so it's a lot more than just flying by yourself. And lots of people that do this hobby of racing also end up getting into aviation later on because of those connections that you form. You also learn how to perform under pressure, which is very difficult, and it's a learned skill. And the more you do this, the better you get at that.
Passersby that are interested in becoming